Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it is about 95 degrees outside, so my fiance and I decided to have a pool day. Of course, with a pool day you want to have some cocktails. So I wanted to share with you how I make my margarita. However, before I show you how I make my margarita, I wanted to do a quick explanation of how you can do an easy margarita, which is only 2 ingredients. So the easy margarita is hornitos, or your tequila of choice, and a margarita mix. Just 2 ingredients, boom, done. I buy the big one of hornitos at Costco for $28, and I like it because it lasts, and I use it in all my drinks, like palomas or margaritas or other drinks that require tequila, and so it's great value for what you're getting. And for a margarita mix, if I'm feeling lazy or I don't have all the ingredients, this is my go-to margarita mix. And it's Tres Agaves margarita mix, and it's organic. So all you need is literally 2 ounces of tequila and 1 ounce of this mix. And that's it. There's your drink. So if you want to take the easy route, which sometimes we do, I mean, sometimes if I get home from work and I'm tired, definitely, this is my go-to. But if I have time, I'm going to take my time with my margarita. So please stay tuned so you can see how I make my margarita. First things first, I have a bowl with some lime juice and I have some coarse salt. So what you're going to do is dip your cup in the lime juice and then dip it in the coarse salt. Now you can skip this step, it's not necessary, but I love salt on the rim. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add 1.5 ounces of tequila. And I'm making for 2, so I'm adding 3, but it's 1.5 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of orange liqueur, and 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Like I said, I'm making for 2, so I am doubling up my recipe. And let me explain something. When it comes to orange liqueur, I use triple sec because it's cheap. It's about $5.99 at Bevmo for each bottle, and I bought like 2. But you can also use Grand Marnier or Orange Cointreau. However, this is the cheapest option and it does the job just fine. Now, after I've added the tequila, the triple sec, and the lime juice, I'm going to add some simple syrup. And this is homemade simple syrup. And the ratio for simple syrup is a 1-to-1. So 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. You dissolve it, and then you let it cool and pour it in a bottle and put it in your fridge. Super simple to make, simple syrup. So you're gonna add about, it's to taste, so I don't like them super sweet, so I'm just gonna add about 1 tablespoon. Okay. Next, we're going to add the ice. And we're going to shake it. Once you've finished shaking it up, I'm going to pour some ice in my cup. And I'm going to get my strainer, pour it over my cup, just because I don't want none of that ice to come into my drink. And here is my perfect margarita. It's so delicious and refreshing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because this is the easiest margarita you'll ever make. Well, besides the pre-made margarita. It's so good. It's natural. And most of all, you know how much sugar goes into it. For example, if you take the easy route, it's 16 grams per serving of sugar. Now, I don't know about you guys, but it's summertime and the less sugar I have, the better, because we're trying to have those summer bodies. So that's why I will opt for this choice over that. But like I said, sometimes you don't have all the ingredients. Sometimes, you know, I might be missing the lime juice, or I'm just tired and I don't want to dirty all these things. So I'll go to the simple route. But this is delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be making another video on how to make a mixed berry margarita, because after I drink this, I know that I have some frozen berries in the fridge, and I'm going to show you how I make that next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.